You will be amazed by this 2023 INFINITI QX60. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a premium SUV that was designed with your family's comfort in mind. Presenting the QX60. Spacious 3-row seating, a peaceful cabin loaded with desirable amenities, ample cargo space, and of course, advanced safety tech infuses every journey with confidence and relaxation. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, sun moonroof, backup camera. Don't hold back. Get the luxury you've always wanted in this QX60. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.